I want to talk to you a little bit about Chapter 13 bankruptcy and what we may expect from collection agencies as the economy begins to reopen. Collection agencies right now have loosened up their practices, but as the economy slowly starts to reopen and people get back to work, collection agencies and creditors are going to ramp up their collection activities. At that point, Chapter 13 will be a very, very useful tool to help individuals, debtors, get back on track. If you're interested in learning how to prepare Chapter 13 bankruptcy documents, maybe you're a legal professional, or you're a debt relief agency, or you could be a tax preparer that has a clientele and you want to offer them something unique, you should check out my Chapter 13 Bankruptcy virtual workshop. The workshop will teach everything that's needed to prepare and file Chapter 13 bankruptcy documents. It will teach the Chapter 13 plan, the means test. You'll learn how to restructure debts. The workshop would also teach you how to consolidate debts within the Chapter 13 plan. So if you want to be in position to be able to offer individuals a unique debt relief tool as this economy starts to slowly reopen, check out my Chapter 13 Bankruptcy virtual workshop.